Have you ever wondered how to make your Common Lisp code run faster? If you're curious about typing variables in Common Lisp, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of optional typing and how to explicitly type your code. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you read about features like optional typing, but you can't find clear guidance on how to implement them. You're not alone in this confusion. Many developers face the same challenge. Let's look at the specific question at hand. One user asked, is it possible to explicitly type code in Common Lisp instead of using hacks? They mentioned using the function that generates a simple vector, which is a great starting point. So how do we tackle this? To understand this better, we need to recognize that types in Common Lisp are indeed related to clause classes. This means that when you want to create a typed variable, you might be thinking about using functions like makeInstance. Let's break this down. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a neat trick that can help you optimize your Common Lisp code even further. To begin typing variables in Common Lisp, the user should understand that Common Lisp supports optional typing. This means that the user can specify types for variables to potentially improve performance. Next, the user can explicitly declare a variable with a type using the declare statement. For example, to declare a variable as an integer, the user can write declare type integer my variable. Additionally, the user can define functions with typed parameters. This is done by using the declare statement within the function definition. For instance, declare type integer x can be included in the function to specify that x should be an integer. Lastly, the user can utilize the Common Lisp Object System, or CLOS, to work with types as classes. The user can create an instance of a class using makeInstance, which allows for more structured type handling. Fun fact, Common Lisp was designed in the 1980s, and it has features that many modern languages still aspire to have. It's like the wise old sage of programming languages. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests several ways to type variables in Common Lisp for better performance. They recommend using type hints with the declare statement to optimize functions, like declaring types for parameters and return values. They also mention using declaim for global type declarations and to receive compile time warnings. For example, they show how to declare a function type using declaim, which helps catch errors if the function returns an unexpected type. This way, you can ensure your code is both efficient and type-safe. Here's the trick I promised. Always remember to check the documentation for the specific types you want to use. The Common Lisp Hyperspec is a fantastic resource for this. And there you have it. You now know how to explicitly type variables in Common Lisp. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips. And don't forget to check out our next video on advanced Common Lisp techniques.